Guess what? They have relocated the Crown Lounge on Utopia and soon to be Wonder. And it's supposed to open automatically, but I don't know if it's working. So this used to be the teen club. And look at this, it's expanded. Looks like it's a little bit larger than the original one down on deck 4. But it's got the same stuff. But look it's got windows. It's got windows, but you know, better than interior. So this Crown Lounge is a big improvement over what was down on deck 4. No longer you have the virtual balcony views, you actually have windows. Look how big this is. So that is your quick look at the Crown Lounge, and let's take a look at the buffet area, the snack area, just so you can see it. And it's the same setup as normal, your coffee maker, and right now it's at lunchtime, so they got some cookies. And that's pretty much it. There is your Crown Lounge, newly renovated, newly relocated here on Utopia of the Seas. Expect more of the same, just like this on Wonder of the Seas.